Hello guys, this is Market Insights, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Rackspace. So unfortunately yesterday, Rackspace did go down quite a bit due to news about them cutting their guidance for 2026. Right now it's up 21% at $5.30, and this is how I'm trading Rackspace at the current moment. Yesterday I decided to take the L, and I did sell my position for a call option. I basically lost the whole premium due to it being at a $7 strike price. And it was expiring next week. So I was like, you know what, take the L. And I decided to buy a leap call option that is expiring beginning of 2028. So I did buy a long leap call option for Rackspace at $5 strike price. Again, is this a bull run or is this a fake one? I would say right now you don't really know if it is or not, especially with the news that came out yesterday. Be very cautious. It might be something that you want to not hedge your investments, have a little bit of exposure to Rackspace and see if it's going to be a huge player within the next 5 years, which that's why I did a big leap call option for Rackspace. If we look at the news, overreaction for today, investors aggressively bought the dip on Friday. The massive Thursday sell-off was reassessed in overreaction to dilutive share offering, so they also did a dilutive share offering. People are still talking about their AMD partnership as well as their Palantir partnership also, which is great news for Rackspace. Again, if we look at the CanSlim model, current quarterly earnings per share, they're not really hitting it. Annual revenue or annual profit, their revenues around the exact same. So, new markets, new products, new highs. Again, same thing. AMD and Palantir, they are straight out killing it, especially if they get new different partnerships with different companies, which is highly likely. Supply and demand is that there's supply for Rackspace. Again, there could be other players taking it over, such as maybe Google doing their own thing like that. NVIDIA, even AMD could do it. And then leaders versus laggards. Is it a leader in the market? At the current moment, it could be, but there could be other players that are competing with Rackspace. And then institutional sponsorship. There are, there is management that does have shares with Rackspace and market direction. Is the market direction going in the right direction? It's all over the place. It's a small cap stock. It gets manipulated. It gets pushed up. It gets pushed down. Something to be cautious about, especially depending on your time horizon and your risk tolerance of stocks. Thursday headwinds. Stock slashed 2026 guidance by $150 million to a range of $2.4 to $2.5 billion, which is still good, especially for a small cap stock. But that's not good. Especially, they are going in a different direction. If you think about it like that, they are deciding to wind down their public cloud resale business. Hyperscalers are increasingly squeezing margins by pushing mid-market clients into different or direct contracts. So that they are going in a different direction, which also caused, if you think about it, a lawsuit. So Levy announced a shareholder investigation into whether corporate management issued misleading statements regarding its 2026 projections, which I feel like it's kind of fluff news. Management is deciding to go in a different direction. The stock went down due to what they're saying. And again, short-term pain for long-term gain. It's not like they went down from $6, knock on wood, $6 all the way down to $2. They are still in that nice zone of being, $4 to $7 or $4 to $8, right? Dilutive capital raise. So they have to do an equity financing for $250 million, which is unfair. It hurts the investors. They could have maybe done debt financing. So it's going to be harder for the stock to go up. But if you're planning on holding it for the long term, you never know. So what I'm thinking about my bull case, bear case for Rackspace is a hold at this point. If you want to do cash secured puts, if the premiums are good, do some maybe cash secured puts, get some premiums. If not, have a little bit of call options or dollar cost average into Rackspace as well. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Be blessed. And we have no more days in the market for this weekend. So have a great weekend, and we'll be back on Monday. And hopefully Rackspace starts to go up. Hopefully.